How to get local files on Spotify mobile. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Spotify and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. It will redirect you to the settings. Also, you need to make sure that your application Spotify is up to date. Once you have the latest version of Spotify, scroll all the way down and inside Import, you'll find the option of Import your music. Head over to it. It will show you all the music that are available on your device. Select the folder that you want to add to your Spotify. Let me select the first one, and then tap on Import at the top right corner. Click on OK. Well, your local files has been added to your Spotify. You will be able to see all the songs in the folder of liked songs. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to get local files on Spotify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.